At Thermal Research and Development today, and we're doing the install of the new thermal exhaust system for the 21 and newer Ford F150 with the 5.0 V8. So on this new thermal muffler, it's a true 3-inch straight-through exhaust system. The muffler itself is unique in that it's a 3-chambered muffler. One of the chambers is designed as a sound absorption chamber, and that takes the high rasp out of it. The two other chambers are Helmholtz chambers designed to cancel the drone. One of them is designed to cancel the drone in the 8-cylinder mode, and the other chamber is designed to cancel the drone in the 4-cylinder mode when your engine kicks down for cruising speed. This allows you to drive in your top gear without downshifting to get rid of that annoying drone. We start by removing the stock exhaust system. We disconnect all the hangers from their rubber mounts and remove the 2 bolts that hold the flange to the catalytic converter assembly. We're going to first install the flange pipe, and we're going to put it in place using the OEM hardware. We're going to snug it up, but we still want some flexibility and movement on it, so we're not going to tighten it down at this time. The next part we're going to install is the extension section. And this is a different part depending on the wheelbase of the car. Now we're ready to install the muffler itself. So to prepare the area, we're going to lubricate with either WD-40 or some soapy water, both rubber hangers. We're going to put our indicator mark at 1 3/4. We're going to slide our double compression clamp with the hardware inbound and the nuts down, and we're going to bring it all the way forward up over our indicator mark. They're going to slide the probes of the hangers into those rubber garments. Slide it all the way forward until the pipes come together. And bring that double compression clamp back to the indicator mark. Making sure our muffler is all the way forward, and we're going to snug this up. Next thing we're going to do is install the tailpipe. We're going to lubricate the rear hanger. We're going to put another indicator mark on the back of the muffler pipe, 1 3/4 inches from the end. We're going to take our double compression clamp with the hardware inbound and facing down. We're going to slide it over that tail section and drop it all the way down. We can now install the tailpipe into the hanger. Align with the back of the muffler. Slide the clamp up to the indicator mark. and snug it down. With the exhaust system completely tightened in place, the last thing we have to do is to install the tip. In this application, we're going to use the optional thermal 4.5-inch round single tip with the black ceramic coating. Slide it into place with the apex of the tip at the top. Then we'll bolt it down tight. That concludes the install of the thermal F-150 exhaust system. Thank you very much for watching.